Well, I'm working on my old Dynamark 22. This mower has kind of been stored in the corner of my garage since 2009. It's about 7 years. Needs a good cleanup, but it's still in pretty nice shape. I just put the blade back on it because I had that all sharpened up nice. Yeah, I think I'm gonna do a cold start on it. I want to get some purple power and do a real nice cleanup on this too. It's a 375 Sprint, Briggs Stratton. Oh yeah, I thought I'd put the fresh gas in that non-oxygenated gas, and my other one always starts on the first pull, my other one identical to this, but like I say, this has sat since 2009, so we'll see what happens. Yeah, so we'll get it down and put some fresh gas in it, and see what she does. Yeah, just a little bit on the bottom. Pretty dark, but I'll shake it up a little bit and see what happens. Think it'll go? Almost. Has to be expected, sat all them years. So that's pretty cool. Use a little zip tie here and let her run for a bit. Just clip the zip tie off later. little bit, but I think that'll clear up. Watching. Almost the first pull started on the second pull after sitting 7 years. That's cool. Yes, I just did the front grass with it. Turned out really nice. It's nice to do it with a sharp blade. Just do a little bit of weed whacking in a bit, but it did real nice. I like and back here where it's pretty thick, it didn't even bog down or anything with that fresh blade on it, that freshly sharpened blade. I made it up to as far as to the end of this deck. Now I'll get the rest done too. I was going to mention it, yeah, the smoke went away too. That was just at the very beginning of the, you know, the first start and all, after sitting all these years. So I'm going to give it a good cleanup though. I'll fire it up one more time, and like I say, I think the smoke pretty much cleared up. That was just from sitting. I don't think I have to pump the prime ball. It's been probably sitting 15-20 minutes, but like I say, I think the smoke pretty much cleared up, so we'll see what happens. Very happy. I gave it a little bit of a cleanup. Still a lot more I can do, but it's a start. Good old mowers. Dynamark 22s are.